I am Kiera Barr, and this is my Augusta University Story. My relationship with the faculty in the nuclear medicine program is a very one-on-one experience. You have to have open lines of communication, and if we need help, we get to go to them. They've supported me through my athletic and academic careers. A lot of collegiate athletes don't get to pursue hard and rigorous programs like nuclear medicine, but because I have that full support of my coach and she knows that academics come before athletics and she treats me as a student athlete instead of an athletic student, I get to do the things that I dream of. My one AU moment that I will always remember is winning the region for Augusta volleyball and being able to compete at the Elite 8 level, and I was able to make history here, so it's something that I hold very close to my heart.